Power dissipation in resistance connected to alternating current source. Power dissipation is energy loss per second or rate of loss of energy with time. If we connect a resistance to an alternating current source, एक प्रतिरोध को एक resistance को alternating current source से connect किया, we know that in this case voltage and current are in same phase. So at any instant, suppose I is equal to I naught sin omega t, then V is equal to V naught sin omega t, where omega is angular frequency of alternating current source. Now instantaneous power dissipation P is equal to V into I. So maximum value of this P when voltage and current are maximum is V naught into I naught, and minimum value is 0 when voltage and current is 0. So P is equal to V naught sin omega t into I naught sin omega t at any instant. So this is equal to V naught I naught sin square omega t, where V naught is maximum value of voltage, peak value of voltage, and I naught is peak value of current. Now energy dissipated in small time interval dt, dE is equal to P into dt, because power P is equal to rate of doing work, or power P is equal to dE upon dt. So small energy dissipation in time interval dt, dE is equal to P multiplied by this dt. So d is equal to P dt. So energy dissipated in one complete cycle in one time period capital T, this is equal to integration of P dt. Limit is from 0 to capital T, where capital T is time period. So E is equal to integration V naught I naught sin square omega t dt, limit 0 to t. In place of P, substitute this P, V naught I naught sin square omega t. So this is equal to V naught I naught integration limit 0 to capital T 1 minus cos 2 omega t upon 2 dt, because for sin square omega t we may write 1 minus cos 2 omega t upon 2, since cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta. So E is equal to V naught I naught upon 2, inside the bracket integration dt limit 0 to capital T minus limit 0 to capital T integration cos 2 omega t dt. Now integration of this cos 2 omega t over complete cycle is 0, because average value of cos 2 omega t for complete cycle is 0, and integration of dt is capital T. So is equal to V naught I naught upon 2 into capital T. For 2 we may write root 2 into root 2. So this is equal to V naught upon root 2 into I naught upon root 2 into capital T. So this E is equal to V RMS into I RMS into capital T, because V RMS is equal to V naught upon root 2. I RMS is equal to I naught upon root 2. Now power is rate of dissipation of energy. So P is equal to E upon capital T. So power dissipation P is equal to E upon capital T. This is equal to V RMS into I RMS. Since voltage and current are changing with time, therefore for this power dissipation we may write average power dissipation P. Thanks. Have a nice day.